Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your environment and obtaining an API key. This lets you authenticate calls. Once you have the key, export it into an environment variable so your code never hardcodes secrets. Install the official SDK or plan simple REST requests, choose based on language and speed needs. After installation, perform a basic authenticated ping or get account endpoint to verify access. Make sure your account has the necessary permissions before proceeding to order placement and streaming. Now construct your core requests. Use concise JSON bodies for orders and queries, and sign or include the header with the API key. For live market data, open the streaming or WebSocket endpoint and subscribe to the symbols you need. This reduces polling and latency. Once connected, parse incremental updates and merge them into your local state. Update UI or logic only on meaningful deltas. Make sure your client responds to heartbeat messages and tries exponential backoff on disconnects. Finish by implementing the full order flow. Validate size, price, and market symbol, then send the order and await confirmation. Use idempotency keys or transaction ID so retries don't create duplicates. Log requests and responses for auditing. If you hit errors, inspect error codes and rate limit headers, then retry with backoff or throttle requests to stay within limits. One troubleshooting tip. Enable verbose logs and replay failed calls in a safe sandbox to reproduce issues before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.